Hey guys, welcome to the Crystal RV. If you're taking your RV to the Burning Man, there's a few very important things you need to do before you're heading out to the Playa. If you don't prepare your RV properly, the famous Playa dust will get everywhere and it will take a longer time to clean and fix your RV. In this video, I will show you simple and inexpensive ways to protect your RV. But the first, we need to go to Home Depot. Let's go! And the first thing you're gonna need for all your needs when you're trying to isolate from the Playa dust is tape. And your only choice is the blue one. That's the only one that will be easily come off with no damage to your RV. That's already Burning Man proven. And that's the only way to go. Don't buy anything else, only this one. And you need one roll for one RV. The second thing you need is reflective isolation. And you can find it in a Home Depot and it costs $11.97. And this is a 10 feet and it's right big enough for the medium-sized RV. And the last but not least, the third thing is a nested fiberglass filter. They come in 4 packs in Home Depot. They 14 by 24 by 1 inch, but you can cut them however you want and cover your refrigerator outcome and your AC. And one more thing is technically optional for me, but many people use it on a Playa to cover the floor in the RV is the builder's paper that's used for the painting, but it's very durable and you can cover the floor with it. So but me personally, I'm not fan of this because it's not, if the Playa gets into the paper, you cannot get out of it. For me, it's like normal floor is better because it's easy to clean, and that's how you can keep your RV crystal clear all the time when you're on the Playa. This is the 4 items we're going to be using today to take care of our RV and get it ready for the Playa. Let's go to check out.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
And our total for today is $42.74 for everything. Let's start with putting the protective reflective film on your windows that will reflect the heat and the sun out of your RV and also protect it from the dust and the rain. Width of the film we bought, 24 inches, which is ideal for the all windows. So you only need to measure the length of your windows. In this case, it's 25 inch. We measure windows length as a 25 inches. So you need to take it a little bit longer, about 27 inch. And as I told you before, use only the blue tape to protect your RV. So when you're ready, just apply to your RV. Firmly starting from the top, stretch it and put the bottom down. You don't need to wait until you get to the Playa. You can make it home and it's not gonna fly anywhere. It just will stay on while you're driving. There is a few things you can do with the air filter. You can cover your stove vent. Sometimes there's a fridge vent and the AC, and in the rare cases, if you want a fresh air from the window, you can cover the window but open it from inside. Repeat the same step for all the holes around and for all windows for your RV. Let's get to the floor. It's even easier if you have a helper, and I personally prefer it overlap inch or 2 above the floor, and you just go all around just like that. 2 layers will be even better and will last longer, and you can remove layer if it's too dirty on the Playa. Whole process will take you about 30 minutes, but it will create a much more clear environment while you're on the Playa, and then will save your time when you clean it afterwards. Get ready. I hope I see you on the Burning Man. Have a fantastic Burning Man.